Well, happy Easter, Liz. What do I get? Liz. Hey. Liz. It's not for you, my friend. Lucy. Hey. That's good. That's good. Got it. Well, check it out, girl.
Oh my gosh, you got gold shoes. Oh, look at that big, huge chocolate Easter bunny. Oh, and look, what did you get? That was not yours.
That's not yours.
Look, Ellen, this one's yours. Look, right here. What'd you get? Oh my goodness.
Open it.
It's a puzzle. See what else you got. Owen, come check on yours. Ooh, cool. Watch out, Lucy. Lucy, move.
No.
Look, Owen. Lucy, go away.
It's not
Owen.
yours.
Happy Easter, Liz.
Oh my gosh, a princess cup. Look, Owen. You got a truck.
Whoa.
Yay!
Look at that.
Is that cool or what, Owen? Look. You put candy in your shoe? Look, Owen, you got a piece. Yeah, you can have a piece. Look, Owen, you got a pair of shorts. These buttons right here. How do you like your shoes, Olivia? You like those gold shoes? Remember me and you were talking about gold shoes the other day. You got another golden egg. I know, Tom, go away.
She wasn't doing anything, man.
Come here, Owen, you try on your shoes? Come try on your shoes. Sit down for a minute. You sit down?
Yeah.
All right, sit down. Sit down. Sit down so I can put them on you.
Love you, okay?
You like that? Come here, Owen. Sit down, buddy. Sit down so I can put your shoes on you. Can you sit down? Sit down. See that white bunny? Oh, you think that's good? Look in your shoe. Look in your shoe.
Lucy.
You got in your lap.
Lucy. Come here.
Oh, what's that, Owen? What's that?
What'd you say, Ellen? Owen. What'd you say?
Those are Cadbury eggs, buddy.
Mmm. Open?
See what's in there.
Oh, man, I don't know if you better have one of these just yet.
More candy. Yeah, I don't know. Let's not open that yet. Oh, shoot. Too late.
Oh, you can't eat too much candy in the morning, girl. You gotta eat a little breakfast first, okay?
Okay, hang on. Let's try on your shoes first, John. Okay? Okay.
Oh, one more? And then you'll be completely satisfied for candy? Okay, good.
Try right?
Yeah.
Look at him. Here.
Oh, man, chill out.
Try right. You might need a napkin.
Oh, is that good? Is it good? All right. You want to give some to Lucy?
No.
You gonna give it to Lucy? No.
Maybe the Easter bunny came down the
You
chimney.
think so? I don't know how he got in here.
Thank you. Down the chimney.
Maybe a polar bear helped them open the door.
Say no.
No.
You don't think he has a polar bear that goes with him? Okay.
Here, I'll sit in your high chair for this. Sit in your high chair. Is that good?
All right, love. Say Happy Easter, everyone.